We will say about Rama names.
A for
Ayodhya Rama,
B for
Bhargava Rama,
C for
Chinmaya Rama,
D for
Dasharatha Rama,
E for
Ishwara Rama,
F for
Palguna Rama,
G for
Gunatmaka Rama,
H for
Hanumanta Rama,
I for
Inaya Rama,
J for
Jagadabhi Rama,
K for
Kausalya Rama,
L for
Lakshmana Rama,
M for
Maryada Rama,
N for
Narahari Rama,
O for
Omkara Rama,
P for
Purushotta Rama,
Q for
Kushavala Rama,
R for
Raghukula Rama,
S for
Sita Rama,
T for
Taraka Rama,
for
Udatta Rama,
B for
Visishta Rama,
W for
Vaikunta Rama,
X for
Sitendra Rama,
Y for
Yogita Rama,
Z for
Janahita Rama. That's all. Thank you.